McDonald's Happy Meal are full of surprises. Our mischievous blue friends are back and ready for their close-ups. You can enjoy the goodness of milk, cuties, and a Smurf house with 2 characters from the new movie Smurfs, The Lost Village, rated PG.
Where are you going?
One more. I think my eyes were shut.
The adventure begins in your Happy Meal.